Namaskar, friends. We had made many predictions about the corona and COVID 19, and due to many developments, a lot of confusion arose, and our well wishers and our uh, clients requested to sum up all the predictions and our analysis about the corona and COVID 19, which was done on the basis of analysis of all the pandemics in the last 1000 years and matching them with our classical scriptures. So let me sum up all the predictions. As per our analysis, pandemics occur due to combined effect of Saturn and Jupiter, because Jupiter is the Jiva Karaka, and when afflicted with Saturn it causes pandemic at the biggest level. These two biggest planets, their combined effect causes big pandemics. So as per our analysis, pandemic started on the 5th November 2019, and their combined effect lasted up to 20th November 2021. But we had clarified, when the confusion arose, we had clarified that this is not the end date of the corona, but it was the date of the end of ferocity of the and death inflicting power of the corona COVID 19. And corona or COVID 19 will continue to afflict the humanity till the Saturn comes out of its movable sign Capricorn, which is 17th January 2023. So, death inflicting power and the general power both are different, and one should remember, and that's why we made very specific so that people may understand what do we mean. But in this prediction we had ignored a mutual impact of Jupiter and Saturn, which is yet to occur. That is for the period 13th April 2022 to 29th April 2022. This period is yet to appear, and I believe that some big effect, some big problem may again come in this period. Some deaths may again occur, but it will be very minor, mild, and tolerable for the humanity. So, what do we mean that up to 17th January 2023, the humanity will have to face and suffer and fight corona COVID 19, but for this period, it will not inflict death at the mass level, which has occurred already. Although for a minor period in the April, the same phenomena may occur again. And one more phenomena is the transit of Rahu, dragon's head. I want to add here, because the way corona COVID 19 spreads, it is akin to Rahu, and just taking Rahu, many astrologers had predicted the dates of end of corona, which failed considerably. Because Rahu itself cannot occur or maybe region of a pandemic of such a big level. But we had ignored Rahu. We want to add here that Rahu will be also be a major factor when combined with Saturn, and when we are combining impact of both, the period is the most problematic period is the 19th September 2020 to 16th March 2022. So, in this period from September 2020 to March 2022, the combined effect of Saturn and Rahu will affect the humanity, especially India, to which I belong. Why India? Because in the India's horoscope, Rahu is in the ascendant or Lagna, and currently Currently, Rahu is transiting on the same Rahu which was where it was at the time of birth of birth of independent India on 15th August 1947. And so whenever the effect, combined effect of Saturn and Rahu, it will be very unfortunate for India. In the same manner, if you belong to some other country, you may calculate, understand the when the effect of COVID-19 will be more on your country. And we have checked, and many persons associated with us have checked, they have found it correct. So in case of India, the Saturn is in the India's horoscope. Saturn is in the Cancer, and currently exactly Saturn being in Capricorn is exactly opposite to that birth Saturn, and it is the Saturn of the birth horoscope has been activated. And similarly, Rahu is transiting on the birth Rahu, so Rahu is also active. So for India, the most problematic period as per this transit is or was 19th September 2020 to 16th March 2022. So India may take relief after 16th March 2022, and if you add combined period of Saturn and Jupiter in the April, so 29th April 2022 is the last date for India for taking a sigh of relief. So but for the whole humanity, which includes India, the last date is the 17th January 2023, when Saturn will come out of its movable sign. So let me sum up. If you want to add all the mild effects, everything from Corona and COVID-19, the last date is the 17th January 2023. But if you want to say that the harsh effects, crude effects of Corona COVID-19, death effects of severe effects of Corona COVID-19, so it has already passed, and for the brief period it will occur again in April. And after April, Corona and COVID-19 will be there along with all its variants and so many things, but it will not inflict death, mass death upon the humanity. If any person dies due to Corona, someone says Corona, it is not due to Corona. It may be due to some other disease already being in his or her body. So this is the sum of the this is summation of our predictions. We wish good health for all the people and who are listening this video, and all these predictions made in this video has been done on the basis of principles of Vedic astrology and the research done on the pandemics occurred in the last 1000 years in the history of humanity. While making predictions, let me give one small clarification. And because astrology, just like other sciences of probability, astrologers also try to make predictions based on whatever depository of knowledge they have. They never claim to be 100% correct, but somehow by the grace of God they are more accurate with the other when compared to other branches of knowledge. And for this we bow with reverence to ancient rishis of Vedas and Indian tradition. Thank you again. I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from astrodevam.com. Thank you for listening patiently.